Good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Just a chilling week. Not a lot happening. Harder to make money. What does that mean? That means if you buy something and you buy Microsoft or something and it goes up 2, you make 20 cents. So when that happens, you have to chill. You have to chill. Okay, Tesla reversed yesterday and the reversal only popped $2. That's not enough. 15-point move, you make $2. That's a hard trade. Guys, chill. Have to chill. Yesterday, I did the little rant and got a lot of messages that said, Sam, yeah, I did some of this. Think about this. The stocks and options, you may have 1 good week, 2 good weeks, 3 good weeks, 10 good weeks, 15 good weeks. But at some point, that last week is going to slow down and you're going to get whacked. You're going to get whacked, okay? So if you know you're going to get whacked, and let's say you make 50 grand or 100 grand, you make 100 grand, you know why you're going to put in 50% or 70%. If you get whacked, you gave up the last 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, okay? Sam makes $1 million, he puts back 150. That's it. So worst case, he's up $850. Pretty good, right? Pretty good. And if that one runs, you let it all run, you make another $1 million. Now you're still in with 150 to 200. That's it. So if you give back 200, you make $3 million. You're pretty good, right? You're pretty good. That's okay. I mean, yesterday we bought some Avago. We bought 30 Avago. 30 Avago at $1. That's $3 grand. Sam's doing a $3 grand trade. That's it. There's no 200, 300 contract because it hasn't proven it can go. If things prove it, then you go back in. And does this end today? Today looked like a down day. We thought it was going to be a down day into the end of the week because it just was. When things start acting wrong, I mean, think about it. Everybody's saying recession again because of the raises, and Deere is going up. Why would Deere go up on a recession? That means everything is wrong. It's wrong. So when it's wrong, you have to relax. Okay, Google is trying. Do we get Google? We caught Google 30 cents to 80 cents. If it gets going, maybe it goes to 126. MDB said great stuff. NVIDIA said good stuff, but nothing directly that changed anything. And that's why I didn't move. So I didn't move. We were thinking about playing both ways. We didn't play both ways. We're still on the one side. Okay? But Avago, the first day that it opens up 10 or 12, it's not up 10 or 12. I mean, watch this. Make sure you watch this. The first day it opens up 10 or 12, it's going to explode up another 20 or 30. The first day Adobe opens up 15, it's going to rock it. But they're not up 15. So then you just chill, okay? Tesla, very nice reversal yesterday, but no follow-through, okay? Now, people are talking about Ron Barron today. Well, here's the thing with Ron Barron, and this is the same thing with Cathie Wood. They've been around for 3+ years on CNBC. When Ron Barron first came on, he could move the stock. Now, he's effectively worthless. He says the exact same thing every time. This is what happens, guys. Okay? So chill and see. So today, it's just kind of a waiting week. There's nothing to do. I don't see anything. Yesterday, I scoured stuff. I even went to my third watch list, and I scoured, and I didn't see a single thing to buy that was going to go respectively. I tell you, I use a 3X rule. If I'm going to go buy something for $2, okay, now let's explain this, okay? Let's say a stock is at $100, and you have Sam's numbers. And say the numbers are 105, 108. Okay, I'm just making it up. Okay? And you look at the 105 calls, and they're $3. Okay? So $3 times 3, 3X rule, that's $9, right? Add $9 to the 105 strike, and you get 114. 114, right? The stock's at 100. Do you believe that option is going to get to $9? For it to get to $9, the stock has to go to 114. But you have Sam's numbers, 105, 108. And if 108 is hard, how is that option ever going to get to 9? Unless it breaks. It's never going to get to 9. So if you're going to pay $3 for that, it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense, right? So you don't do it. That means it's a hard trade. Don't do hard trades. I mean, Tesla. You go look at Tesla. Okay, the 280s right now. I'll give you an example for next week. Okay, Tesla 280s are $4. So times it by 3, it has to get to 12. Nobody says you hold it to 12. Nobody says you can trade it. But here's the thing. It has to be able to get there, or the premium is too high. Okay, so that means you times it by 3 and you get 12. You add 12, for it to be 12 by next Friday, it has to be $12 in the money. That means the 280s would have to go to 292. Can it get to 292? Well, hell, it can't get through 279. Because 279 is where it got the other day and it dropped 30. So you can't pay 4. Now, say they were 2. That means it would only, 2 times 3 is 6. You add 6 to 280. It only has to get to 286. Well, if it gets to 280, then we tell you premium at the money is 6. Right? So it only has to get to 280. So that means it could get there. So at $2, it would be a good value. At $4, it's stupid value. And we don't buy stupid value stuff. Okay? And that's why all these things, when we buy them, they rip and they rip fast. Because it can go. Like snow. We bought snow at 2. Well, snow, you got 196, 200, 216. At 216, that's 16 in the money. It's possible. The numbers are possible. So at $2, it can go to 6. And we sold them at 5 last time, right? So that's how you do pricing. Okay, it has to be like that. So I don't see anything the last day and a half, very rare to see anything that can really take off. And if it can't take off, then don't overpay for it, or you buy very little. So Sam was buying 200, 300, 400 contracts of all this stuff. Now he's back to 20 contracts, 30 contracts. Why? Because it's just not moving right. I mean, UPST, if it gets near 39, which is a beast number, probably can go to 46, right? But it's not near that yet. Now, if you want to go buy for September, that's a different story. 6 months out. You may pay $4 for those. $4, maybe 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 added on to the 40 calls is 55. Sam says it can go to 70 or 80. Then that's reasonable. Way out into September. But not for this week. Okay, that's pricing. Okay? NVIDIA, when are they going to guide up? Are they going to guide up? Don't know. Now, I want to get NVIDIA 500 calls for earnings, and I'm willing to pay up to $5 or $6. But they're 25. So if they're $25 and you times it by 3, that's $75. You add $75 to 500, it has to go to 575. Well, that's stupid price, right? Can't do that. So you wait and you wait and you wait and you wait and you wait. And it's okay. Here's the thing, and I told you yesterday, if you make a lot of money, you have to move it to another account. Because I know human nature. It happened to me in 92, 93, 94, 95. I know human nature. If you make $100,000 from $10,000, 99% of you will think that next trade gets you to $500,000. And it gets you to 50. But here's the problem with 50, guys. If you make $10,000 and now you're at 100 and you're at 50, this is no different than betting baseball, or you're betting a football game, or if you're sitting at a blackjack table and you've taken $100 to $500. As soon as you're back to $200, you immediately do a $200 play. You just do, and now you're negative. You just do. So what you need to do is move it to a different account. Just wire it out or move it to a different account. That way, you can't lose more than half. You know, we had so many people did great, and a ton of people messages yesterday saying, Sam, best rant you ever did, because, you know, I listened to you. People that took $5,000 to $25,000 took half of it out. They got 12 and a half sitting in another account, and they've given back about 5. So you went 5 to 25, you took out 12 and a half, and you got and you lost 5, so 17 and a half. So you still got 7,500. So you're still from 5 to 7,500. You're still up 25, and you got 12,500 in the other account, and you didn't overbuy stuff. Okay. Then you can become great. Look, AI is real, and you're going to get another run. Does that happen today? Probably not. Does it happen in a week? Maybe. But you need Microsoft. Microsoft was really good yesterday. It came back. But look at it. It's down because the market's down because they're selling stuff. Let them sell stuff. Okay? Let them sell stuff. Let me tell you, could very easily, if this 43.50 breaks, be 43.30 and then 4,300. And maybe you have another week of this. And then everybody says, oh my God, everything's down, and they get back in. And then we kill it for 2 more weeks and boom, another million. But have to relax and breathe. Okay, so that's what we have today. Now, I don't even know why we're down like this, but except for the week, you could see, I said this yesterday on Twitter, every single day you're down 10 or 20 right off the bat. Today, 28. And then we go back up. So just chill, breathe. There's nothing to buy. Now, people will say, but why can't we just go buy big on the downside? You do what you like to do. But why are you getting... Look, you know, outside of 1 or 2 hedges, every hedge doubles right away. But every hedge expires at 0. But you want them to expire at 0. Right? So relax and wait and wait and wait and wait and wait, and you will do good. Okay? That's what we know. Sam, good morning. How much receding snow today? Look, snow's just sitting there. If they have a conference, if the conference is good, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. The one that's very intriguing, if you like it, is ISRG. So I know a lot of people that work in hospitals and do surgeries. And everybody's telling me all the surgeries are massive, nonstop surgeries. But UNH told you this. Well, if ISRG robots are just ripping them up, 380? Wow. Takes our 350s from what, they're $5 now, $4, $5, to 30. But you got to go out for earnings a month out. Relax. Now, here's one other thing on ISRG. Guys, I don't know if you know this. ISRG has pre-market announced, guided up 4 times in their history that I know of. So if it's really real, at some point in the next 2-3 weeks, they will guide up. If it's real. Maybe it's not. And then we see. Okay, let's get started. Good morning, everybody. 6:23. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Let it go down. If they want to sell it, let it go down. I'm good with that. Complete collapse, okay. Crash. We'll go back in after. Okay? SPX, 43.52, 43.31, 43.09. Needs 4,400. Avago needs 888 beast. But here's the thing. If it ever pops 12 or 13 on the open, then you load. Right now, if you buy it, go buy small. Okay? Downside, 809. NVIDIA, 432, 439 is a big number. That's what was at pre-market. When Tesla was at 279, it was at 439 pre-market, and then it collapsed that day, 2 days ago. So now you wait. Lam Research, trying to break up, 632. Now, Micron earnings next week. If Micron guides up and says inventory correction over, Lam Research is going to be 672. Will Micron say that? I don't know. I think so. Then we see. So like Lam Research, all the way up to the 650s for next week. Waiting. Okay? Meta, a little bit better, 286, 291. CMG needs 2100, can't get through. Looking at earnings, remember, this was at 2140. I actually looked at options. These are stupid price. The 2300s are $10. 2300. It has to go up 300 points. Unbelievable. UPSD, 39 Beast. Snowman, 192, 196. Adobe, 496. MDB, 398. Still can't get through. 398. Wait. Google. See if Google pops early. If Google pops early. Interesting. Okay? Let's see. 123, 126, 60. AI. They didn't say anything great. No guide up, nothing great. Underneath 35 is 31. SMCI, huge pop yesterday and right back down. Just wait. NOW, 572. Microsoft, 341. Amazon, 132, 136. Carvana, up a little bit. Needs 27. Tesla, 271. Now, this could be the first day Tesla hasn't run on a Friday. That's okay. You just wait and you chill and you wait and you chill. And we'll probably get some for next week. But nothing over the 270s. Hasn't proven that it can hold. And wait. And we had this monster move. So now you have to relax. That's what we know. Okay, comments, questions. Key bank on CMG, we were raising a price target to 2,300. Blah, blah, blah. Nice. It's nice. You mentioned ratios on the video. Can you speak to ratios? Okay, ratios. One last thing before we get going here. Ratios. It used to be SPX ratio. You had SPX and the Dow. If the Dow was up 100, it was a 10-to-1 ratio all the time. SPX would be up 10. So if the Dow was down 100, SPX would be down 10. So now that doesn't work. The pandemic changed it. So now you have to find a different ratio that's working that day. So maybe it's SPX to Avago. If SPX goes up 10, Avago goes up 2. So every 10 points, SPX goes up, Avago goes 2. Ratios change every day. You got to find it. You got to find the one that works. Okay? And then you see. If the Dow is down 10 and SPX and Tesla Dow's, if SPX is down 10 and Tesla drops 2, if SPX drops another 10 and Tesla drops another 2, and SPX drops another 10 and Tesla drops another 2, boom, you have a ratio. You have to look at how that's working within the first 10, 15 minutes and find one that works. And if it works, you have one for the day. And if it works all day long, it's helping you. That's ratios, okay? That's what we know. Everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat.